Chairman, I would like to raise a question. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Waxman? Mr. Lanta?
This has all the appearances of an Attorney General protecting the President. By focusing on the narrow issue of phone calls from the White House, Ms. Reno guaranteed the result of her preliminary inquiry.
Financing task force on this matter. It is entirely...
I believe it also is 592, but that's we won't quibble about that. And I think on its face, the American people would think that there would be a conflict of interest. And for that reason, in order for there to be a fair and impartial investigation of this whole mess, there ought to be a person appointed as an independent counsel who has no axe to grind, who has no ties to Webb Hubbell or John Wong or to the President or anybody else, so we can get to the bottom of it. And for you to keep hiding behind this, saying, well, you'll consider it, I think is a dereliction of your responsibility.
I'm not hiding, Mr. Chairman. I am trying to do my duty under the independent counsel statute and under the law to conduct an investigation in a professional way, taking it wherever it leads me, and I will continue to do so. When I made the decision, whether he was in the room or not, because you cannot imagine, Mr. Chairman, how...
or are you taking any action to bring these people back into the country?
People ought to be able to talk freely without thinking they're going to be hauled before congressional committees, and everybody's subjected to this scrutiny. I knew what I was getting into, and I think it's my responsibility, and I will be delighted to continue to exercise that. The second is just laying out for people what you're going to do in an investigation is the dumbest thing I know to do. I mean, if you're conducting a professional, effective investigation, you're going to keep it close to the vest and do it the right way. And
Nothing but the truth, I hope you got it?
I do.
Okay.
My understanding of the chairman's question is that
In recommending to the Attorney General that an independent counsel be appointed, I did not and do not believe that any particular person has committed a crime or is a target of a grand jury or even has done anything improper. I recommended appointment of an independent counsel to investigate whether crimes may have been committed.
A friendly question or raise a point of order.
You can do either at this point.
Well, let me first ask a friend.